Welcome back. Today we're going to master the Read an Academic Passage task by analyzing university-level texts to uncover main ideas and logical structures. Let's sharpen your reading skills and learn how to approach these complex passages with confidence. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to my TOEFL for more expert strategies. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. Listen closely to the speaker's tone and intent to predict how a listener would naturally respond. Pay attention to whether they are asking for an opinion or a piece of information.
What did you think of the guest speaker's lecture?
What did you think of the guest speaker's lecture? The speaker asks, "What did you think?" which is a clear invitation for the listener to share their personal opinion or evaluation of the guest speaker's lecture. We need to find a response that provides a qualitative judgment about the event. Let's listen to our options to find the best reply. Let's listen to option A. He speaks very clearly. This speaker mentions that the lecturer speaks very clearly, which describes the manner of speaking but doesn't fully answer the inquiry about the overall lecture quality. While it's a positive observation, we should see if there is a more direct evaluation of the experience. Now, let's hear what option B says. I think I'll go to the lecture. The statement "I'll go to the lecture" uses the future tense, which contradicts the stimulus where the speaker asks, "What did you think?" implying the event has already happened. This is a common tense trap designed to catch listeners who aren't tracking the timeline. Here is option C. Let's see if it fits. The lecture hall was full. While the lecture hall was full provides a detail about the environment, it avoids answering the specific question about the listener's think or opinion of the content. It describes the crowd rather than the guest speaker's performance. Let's evaluate the response in option D. I thought it was very informative. This response directly addresses the request for an opinion by stating, "I thought it was," followed by the evaluative phrase, "very informative." This perfectly matches the prompt, "What did you think?" by providing a subjective assessment of the lecture. The most natural reply is option D, since it provides a direct qualitative assessment of the lecture, which is exactly what the speaker requested. The phrase "very informative" serves as a logical answer to a question about one's thoughts on a presentation. To succeed in this section, always focus on the functional intent of the speaker and the tense of the conversation. Be wary of options that repeat keywords but fail to address the specific question or provide a mismatched timeline.